YouTubians, Blue Glove Guy here. Got you another knife review right here. Knife I just reviewed, and of course you got my Glock. I got my Glock 43 right there, just something decorative. So yeah. So I've had this. This is called the Rumble OTF knife, and you can be sure that this is not made in the US of A. So I got this on bladeplay.com. Really nice website, actually. They have some sweet deals whenever they have their stuff in stock. And as you guessed, if you're knife fanatics, you can. This is the knockoff of a Scarab, a Microtech Scarab. So a dagger. I got the dagger. I do like the dagger. I never had a dagger type knife before. I figure with an OTF, a dagger would be beneficial for me. Trigger's pretty smooth. I did put some lube knife oil on it. See, it seems to be actually performing better. So the outside. Let me start with the outside. So you can see this little speck right here with it's kind of like sandpaper that I got. I probably wouldn't recommend doing sandpaper. There's that imperfection you can see right there. It pretty much peeled off the first time I opened it. Kind of interesting. The screws, I actually did take this apart since I oiled it. This screw is completely stripped from the factory. It does have a nice little glass breaker, nice and big. And then the funny thing is, this also came a little loose, so I put some blue Loctite like I did on my other knife. So this is not going to go anywhere. And I torqued this down with a little hex screw. You can see the little hole in there. That's why I used it. I got all the black. The one good thing about this knife is it does offer a low profile pocket carry. So when you knock off or not, this does have a really nice low pocket carry. So not very many people are going to be able to see this very well. So let's go with the knife. I do have some hesitations on this. Now I would say this is more of a show knife, just something cool to show people. There's just the blade has a lot of imperfections. You can see right there. Pretty much came with a knife. I wasn't really expecting, like a $500 knife. I would definitely care about. This was $40 knife. So this side is perfect. Not too bad. It cuts okay. It doesn't cut It doesn't cut that good or bad. And you can see, I just don't have a great enough sharpener to really work at that. Eventually I might. Eventually I might spend the money. Other than that, I've had, of course, a few misfires, but, that's like everything. So, I got this, will it go through? Of course, it actually barely punctured the paper. That's pretty nice. So, you got... So, to fix this, and it's fixed. So, I'm going to do a good old cut test. Now, devastating attacker. So really, you can kind of tell it's not as sharp as my Smith & Wesson. I got my little Kershaw here. This is probably the sharpest. Oh yeah. I'm not sure what is Kershaw. This is what model it is. So this is pretty much my review on the Rumble OTF dagger. And this is more of a, I would say, gimmick, because compared to paying $500 for Microtech, I almost rather pay $500. But this is a really cool showpiece. You can show people. Not many people seeing it, and there's a lot of wows when I show people. Of course, my wife doesn't like it because my wife does not like the noise. So you gotta bug your wife a little bit. And like I said before, she's gonna hate me for ruining these perfectly good coupons. But it is what it is, right? So, thank you for watching. Have a good day.